We've been following signs in recent months that the economy is slowly rebounding. But this morning, there are some conflicting signals when it comes to some key indicators. The price of prescription drugs going up, mortgage rates going down. So what does it all mean for consumers? Let's bring in NBC's senior business correspondent, Christine Romans. Christine, good Friday to you. So we're talking about roughly 700 prescription drugs, prices going up. But give us some perspective here. Sure. How does this compare to previous price hikes? And what's behind it? Do we know?
Let's look at the headline. The headline here is on about 700 drugs, prices rising. So in January, this is when the drug companies tend to raise prices. So 775 different brand name drugs, median price increase of 4.5%. That's more than inflation. But some perspective, a decade ago, these were 10, 15% sometimes every year. So rising a little more slowly. And the drug companies tell us, look, on many of these drugs, what you pay won't be 4 or 5% more. It'll actually be a little bit less because of the deals they have with their insurance companies. So just looking at some of these prices, Ozempic now up 3.5% in January, $970 a month there. A Mounjaro 4.5%. That makes it more than $1,000 a month. I put those on there because they're very popular drugs right now, and just sort of showing you that because of inflation, the companies say, because of demand, because they can, some of these prices are rising.
But wasn't the Biden administration working with the pharmaceuticals to get prices down on things like insulin, really pricey drugs?
And when you look behind these numbers, you can see insulin and inhalers, those prices are falling. And that's because of the Inflation Reduction Act. It is now the law that some of these drugs cannot be rising faster than inflation. So you're seeing some areas where drug prices are declining. And this year, the administration will be negotiating, Medicare will be negotiating with drug companies on very popular drugs, keeping those prices low. So you're seeing a much better pricing situation in the drug world than we have in years past.
Let's talk about the housing market.
Yes.
Good news. Mortgage rates are falling a bit.
Finally, yes. And I think this is really important. Fannie Mae is also forecasting you're going to get below 6% by the end of the year, 6% by the end of the year. So that is really an improvement from way up above 8%. And you have a lot of people who still have mortgages below 5%. And so they're not doing anything. I call it the golden handcuffs in the housing market. They're not doing anything because their mortgage is so low. So if we see mortgage rates start to fall a little bit this year, hopefully that means more people can get in this game and can try to buy a home.
And refinance.
And refinance, right? Yeah. I mean, home prices have been pretty high still. And home sales have been a little moribund. So, wow, that's a weird word to say.
It's like an SAT word.
Look at you.
I'm proud to be moribund.
Friday morning.
Word of the day, moribund.
Yes.
Bring it up. All right.
Thank you.
Christine.
Mr. Roker, how about a check of the rest of the
I saw Christine in the makeup room flipping to a thesaurus.
That's what she does.
So, okay, boom, moribund. I like it. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.